Ain't that some back home buddies in the field, mud on the wheels? Yeah, ain't that some thick smoke, Silverado tearing up a two-lane road? Ain't that some C-O-U-N-T-R-Y shit we been doing since we was J-High? There's folks out there ain't T-R-Y this. Man, ain't that some shit that you hate to grow up and miss? Hate to think of what if I didn't even know what a honey hole with a Zepco when my jeans rolled and a princess gold in my lip. Even this, they say we ain't got a pot to piss, but I thank God for this.